Hey there, today I'll be showing you how to add playlists on TikTok, and here is how. Number 1, on your phone, open your TikTok app. Number 2, once you are on TikTok, go to the lower right corner and tap on the profile icon. Number 3, in this place, there should be an option for you to create a playlist, but since we don't have it, we will try to report our concern to TikTok. And to do that, here is how. Number 4, on the upper right corner, click on the three lines. Number 5, tap on Settings and Privacy. Number 6, scroll to the bottom part and tap on Report a Problem. Number 7, in here, choose the Videos and Sounds topic. Number 8, scroll to the bottom and tap on Other. Number 9, tap on Other again. Number 10, click Need More Help. Number 11, over here, you can write and explain briefly your concern with TikTok. You can even attach photos or videos if you want to. Once you are done, you can tap on Submit, and it might take days or weeks to get a response from TikTok. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.